How to change hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Whether you are a fan of Japanese voice acting or just want to spice up your gameplay with a different vibe, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Mobile Legends app on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are in the game, simply tap on the settings icon shown on the top right corner of the screen and you will be guided to the settings menu. Now on this page at the bottom you will see the option for language, set it to English. Simply tap on it and then click on the voice option. And in here you can select from a variety of language. If you are looking for the Japanese, simply choose the second option. And please note that this change will only affect the hero's voice, not the in-game language. Now tap on download button and wait for the download to finish. This may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. And once the download is complete, restart the game to apply the changes. Now, after you have re-entered the game, to hear the new Japanese hero voice, enter a match or check any of your heroes in your collection to hear the voice lines. And you will notice that your heroes are speaking in Japanese, just like this.
偉大なる高みの先へ、星の再来とならん。
And that's it. You have successfully changed your hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.